In this video, I will walk you through how to remove authentication from your Apex form while you are doing development. That way, you are not asked to authenticate every time you try to test your application. If this video helps you, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. What we're going to do is create a new application. Give your application a name. In this case, I call it Sample App 1. Click Create. Now, if you run this application, you can see that it's asking you to authenticate. So let's close this screen. Let's go to Shared Component. Go to Authentication Scheme. Click on Oracle Apex Account. Click on Oracle Apex Account under Schema Type. Select No Authentication. Click Apply Changes. Now you can run the application. As you can see, it did not prompt you for the login information. Thank you for watching.